second term will give you the individual analysis. So please. So now please, what you need to do, please look at the screen everyone, what I am doing. Preference, everyone go to the system preference. Preference, everyone go to the system preference. Preference, then system preference. Click it. Preference, then system preference. Okay. Next one, that is metric and kilometer. Click it. Metric and kilometer. Click it. First one, system wide, that is metric and kilometer. Click it. Okay, click it. Metric and kilometer.
Yes, sir.
System and system preference. I just repeat it again. Preference, system preference. Okay, preference, system preference. Then metric and kilometer. Finish it first. Then go to the modeling. After the modeling, you need to give this data. Your data is other things. Look at the screen. Your base output may be the 120. Please make it base output voltage 100. Then single phase base kVA 100. Then default base kVA, write it 19.05256. Write it. And earth frequency 100 and system frequency hazard hertz, that is our 50. And please edit it, Hassan, official. Okay, please quickly finish it, the correction. Your data, please correct it. Okay, please quickly correct it. Finished it? Correction, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, after finishing the things, okay, then please click the overhead default construction type. Click it. This is click it and up and click the Bangladesh. Look, this Bangladesh is available, yes or no? Check it.
Sir, if Bangladesh is not available, sir, then what I will do, sir?
So you will wait for how to create it. Bangladesh always wait if you use our data. Okay. Bangladesh is available, yes or no? Check it.
Yes, sir, available, sir.
The 33, click the 33 and okay. Click the 33 and okay. Click the 33 and okay. Clicked and okay. So first things, then go to the loading. Load in. Okay, just click the load in. Or you do not need to come here, just modeling part, first finish it up to that. Finished it, then okay. Just click the okay. Your first task, that is you need to system preference correct it. Otherwise, you will face so many problems. That's why my request to you, first finish the system preference. Don't forget it. First it requires modeling. These two things you will follow it, then okay. Next is, you need to go to the Kabirpur grid and give the Kabirpur. Everyone, your file may be that. This is your file. Then you need to click it, the editor. Please the editor. Then one navigator will open here, and your first task is impedance code max. You will click it. Then you will see the Bangladesh. Then you will see the Kabirpur. Look at the Kabirpur. Okay, look at the Kabirpur. Okay, then select the Kabirpur. Everyone select it because you already done it. How to finish simultaneously with me? Please look at the things. If you finish the last thing, that is okay. Then is Kabirpur selected and okay. So your impedance code max and mid, it will come. Then you need to write it. Okay, you need to write it here. Our line to line voltage. Listen, our line to line voltage, that is 1,32,000. You need to put it that voltage. And when you will click the line to ground, it will automatically come. So you will give the line to line voltage, then you will click the
Sir, line to line voltage কি স্যার দেওয়া থাকবে?
You need to correct everything. All the wrong data inside your source. All the wrong data. So you need to correct it. Now it is clear. So next is your bus voltage is 100. You will put your bus voltage 100. Look, first select these things, line to line voltage 1,32,000 and bus voltage 100. Because I want the voltage same as it is, 1,32,000. Okay. Then your next task is just close it. So two things you need to correct, on is the 1,32,000 and bus voltage 100. Then close it. So first thing's gone. Look at this thing. Previously our data's problem is 98. Yes or no? Tell me. Data errors, circuit diagnosis time. It showed 98. Now click it. Now look at these things, 97, and close it. So it's a black now. When you will put the data, then your system give you the assurance that your system is okay for next step. So now you will need to put the value of transformer. So our first transformer, if you look at your single line diagram, that is 50/83 MVA. So click the, okay, click these two things, click transformer again. Again, you need to navigator, look at the navigator. Please, the first task is finished, yes or no? Tell me. It is finished, yes or no? The source path is finished, or everyone connect with the mobile phone without the PC? Tell me. Everyone connect with the mobile phone?
No, sir.
No, sir. In PC, sir.
Okay, okay, just correct it. First correct it. Then go to the transformer. How to correct it? Our first task is winding connection, transformer. Just click the transformer, winding connection, and that connection, that is delta Y GRD, ground. Delta Y DY GRD. Okay, winding connection. Then you need to click the phase. Click it. Look, I am click the phase. Phase means impedance definition. You need to allocate your transformer size. Transformer size allocation. I am just clicking here. Click the Bangladesh and 50/83. If it is not available, So you need to select the 50 by, okay, just for the 50 by 83 is available. Just I'm seeing this thing. Okay, 50 by 75, please just this time, just you will just click the 50 by 75. Please click it. 50 by 75. Okay. Right. 50 by 75, click it. Okay. And then okay. So your definition finished. Now you need to input the voltage. The voltage is 99 voltage on the 32. Rated output voltage 33,000. And rated output system is also 33,000. So our all the input is now okay. So please everyone quickly finish it. Quickly finish it. Mehdi Hassan, what happened?
Sir, my house, sir, construction work is going, sir.
Yes, okay, okay. Let me minimize it. Okay, finish these things. After finishing this value, you will close it and calculate analysis again. Click it, recalculate analysis. Look. And okay, now look at these things. The problem is finished. So the second transformer, you can double click it again, delta Y, GRD. Okay. GRD and phase, that is 2 into 25 by 41. Again, Bangladesh.
I have a question, sir. Sir, why we will do it deluxe, sir?
What you will?
Do it deluxe, sir, all, sir.
You need to fill up all because of you are active the transformer virtually. Virtually, you are creating the transformer. Okay. You are creating the transformer now.
Sir,
Okay.
why we will do, sir, it deluxe, sir, all grids, sir? That is the question.
Wall grid. What is the wall grid?
Sir, transformer, then lines, sir.
Because your grid single line diagram, you need to analyze the grid substation. Suppose as for example, I will just give you one example. Mousak substation and Kaliapur substation. Okay. They are getting electricity from the grid substation. And this is the line. How much loss inside the line created? How to calculate it? And the voltage level. Which type of regulator you need to add it here after the voltage level? Because if your consumer is increasing, you need to upgrade your substation. And your upgradation is totally affected in your upper side line. And you need to rearrange all the things. Because this is the power system PSNA, power system network analysis. You are learning the network analysis. Without creating the virtual network, it is possible for you to understand these things. Virtually, you are creating these things. And this time we are using the AutoCAD single line diagram. And this single line diagram exists in our Kobirpur areas. After virtually, when you will just put all the value, listen on thing. When you will put all the value, transformer, line, substation, every value. When you will analyze it, then you will see the present condition present condition of the network, and on the basis of that, you will recommend the authority, please. Suppose as for example, I think you have a little idea about you have any idea about the connection of a house? Any idea?
No, sir.
That's why. Suppose as for example, in your house, okay, if your house, if you want to increase the any meter, suppose as for example, you think that you are just tell them please connect a meter. No, there is a process. Process is that your transformer should be up to date. Yes or no? Suppose as for example 5 MVA, 5 kVA transformer in your 11 kV areas, then you need to up to date it. Suppose the connection is now 10 out of 10, it is okay. But you are the 11 number connection. So 11 number connection, if the connection we need to give there, that is you need to transfer that, change the transformer capacity, maybe 5 kVA to 10 kVA. 10 kVA is 20 member maybe. So you need to analyze every time your network. Some of the person in REBs actually analyzes these things and they give the suggestion. Yes, suppose as for example, after the analysis you will understand something. That is, you cannot increase the load. Increase means sometimes look at in Bangladesh, our that is the energy minister sometimes tells that all the connection in the countries is now closed. You heard this voice, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because suppose you are now demanding 5 MVA substation type capacity. You have an industry. This network may be the overload. How you realize that this is overload? Yes or no? How you realize? Because the connection and overload, you cannot measure it by yourself because you don't know. Everybody is actually, suppose in your house, if you look at your house is full overload, full connection, that is all the device you need to on it, yes or no? You need to on it.
Yes.
That's why in virtual network, you will all network one give the all load there and the affected calculation you will measure it, then you will give the suggestion, the connection you can continue or give this suggestion for if you need to continue the other connection. Now understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. I have understood.
Because without the analysis, suppose as for example, without the analysis, okay, as for example, I give you one example. Suppose you are using the 10 amps circuit breaker. Listen, 10 amp circuit breaker for the AC. Okay, but your 2-tone AC, okay, that create the ampere 13, requirement ampere 13. If you give the 10, it is possible to connect it within the 10 minutes. The 10 amps will hit and it will shut down. Now it is clear for the network, you need to up to date it. So that's why virtually you need to create the whole grid. 11 kV time, you need to create the more thing, if you believe it or not. You need to create the consumer level analysis. This is the 33 analysis and the 11 kV time power distribution network analysis after the transformer. How to analysis that? You will run that things. This time your analysis is 30 or 40 element. And the 11 kV time, starting analysis is on 40 analyze line minimum. Minimum on 40 line, you need to analyze it. Why are so many consumer, if you believe it or not? More than 20 types consumer you need to work on that areas. And kilowatt hour you need to put it inside there. Okay, we will learn one by one. So I think please just continue what I am doing. So the next is impedance, that is 25 by 2. We have the two transformer, we give it here, and delta ground and everything. Then look at these things. Now the second transformer is finished. Then the feeder. This time we are using the dummy things, because we are using the dummy things. Look at these things. Then click the feeder. Click it feeder. Then face, click it the face. Then bay, click the bay. Default bay equipment. Okay it and okay. Then again close it. Look at these things again. If you need to another feeder, click the feeder. Click these areas. Bay, default bay, okay it and close it. Look, the second things again. So look, your problem is minimized. Everyone seeing these things, yes or no? Your problem, how to your network error free. Okay, network error free. Next, look at the first feeder, your line. If you look at your single line diagram, I am just opening the single line diagram, that will help you, otherwise you can't understand. Or your network is exist, yes or no? I am just showing you the so I am opening the single line diagram so that you can understand deeply. So look at the COVID pools. Okay, look at this single line diagram. The first line is 4.5 kilometer and conductor side is 477 MCM. Okay, are you listening?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, look at this. I am just putting the first section. First section, give the kilometer 4.5 kilometer. Impedance length, I am giving the kilometer. Then phase a conductor, click here. Then go to the ACSR and click the 477 MCM 26 by 7. Then okay, then close it. Then again circuit diagnosis. Look at these things, it's a black. That means your first data is already okay. The second, look at the screen again, second, that is the 4 kilometer wolf. Second is 4 kilometer wolf. This is the four kilometer wolf. Okay, if you look at these things, 4 kilometer wolf. If you look at the things, 4 kilometer wolf. So you will give it 4 kilometer wolf, or you can give the, please listen, every substation beside the line. This is the without any kilometer. It's 0.09. 0.09. It's a thumb rule things. 0.09 the kilometer. So you will put it 4.09 kilometer. Okay, directly. So you can delete these things and move these things, and you can put the value 4.09 because 0.09 for the connections you are just giving that things. And the conductor is wolf. ACSR conductor is wolf. Look at this, the wolf. And okay it and just circuit diagnosis. Look, the second thing is finished. Then the Mouchak substation. You need to give the data in the Mouchak substation. That is what? Look at that. You need to give the data. First is okay, that is the spot load. Circuit level, that is spot load. Substation Mouchak spot load. Click it. Then you need to go to the calculated load. So look at the screen. The Mouchak is peak load is 13 megawatt. So if you, here is, you need to give the data kilowatt. So you need to give it kilowatt, that is the 13,000. So I am putting the 13,000 peak load, and you need to put the power factor. Two things you need to put it here. One is the kilowatt total areas, another the power factor is 95. In REB standard is 95. So look at these things. Then close it, and again look. So your first task finished. Second task is line 2. So line 2, if you look at these things, there is the connection line is there. So you will put it here, length of the line. Look at the screen, length of the line, click it. Conductor data, click here, then click it 0.09. This is the kilometer, and you will click here. Which type of conductor? If you look at these things, I go this area. If any conductor is missing, if any conductor, look at the things. If any conductor is missing, then remember one thing, you need to follow the up step, one step up, you need to follow that. So one step up is 477, or if it is a REB substation, you will put the 477 directly. So I am just putting the data. So 477. So this is finished. Look at this thing. So my request to everyone, please, within the 5 minutes, please fill up all the things from the substation, transformer to feeder on. Finished it.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, I cannot connect, sir, transformer to sir feeder. Why, sir? Several time I doing but cannot connect
Okay,
it.
look at the screen. First, go to the view, display option, connect your display and connectivity on, yes or no. It is on, yes or no.
Sir, I check, sir, I cannot see.
First, view, display option, display connectivity, general areas, display connectivity.
Yes, sir, it's not, sir. Click.
Click it.
Okay, sir, I
Okay. Then source. First source. It should be yellow. Without the yellow. Okay.
sir. I can connect source to transformer, but transformer to feeder I can connect.
Okay, listen. Dear student, listen. First source. Then you will click the transformer. Okay. Transformer, okay. It should be the yellow. Then go to the feeder. Add device. And you will click areas. That is okay. Practice it.
Okay.
If you click the circuit diagnosis, then it will show you the red color. Look at this thing, because the data is missing. That's why. When you will put all the data, then it will show you the circuit diagnosis. It's okay. So please, for next task, please listen. Okay, I just finished the Neuhardt again. So what I need to do, please, this single line diagram. If I look at the single line diagram, please don't draw these things. We will learn the things. So 14.5 kilometer drop. So I'm just putting the 14.5 kilometer, and it's a dog conductor. ACSR dog. Look at these things. Okay. Then again, I'm just deleting these things. Look at these things. So second model is finished. Then rest of the, because your first term task is you need to create these things. And exam time, I will do something, and you need to do that things. Then you need to send it. The first time exam time, I will show you something. You will do it. After that, you need to send it. So this is your task. My message is clear to everyone, yes or no? If you have any confusion, please tell me.
স্যার এই অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটা কি স্যার আমাদের সেন্ড করতে হবে স্যার করে কমপ্লিট করে?
Yes, exam time I will do something. Okay, then you will prepare their things according to my instruction. Then you need to send it, that type of things. Okay?
ওকে স্যার। স্যার
Okay.
who is still
Yes, that your first term is, that is 4th July. July 4th, next week.
স্যার মানে আমাদের এক্সামের জন্য এটা করতে হবে নাকি করে রাখবো আর সেটা হচ্ছে এক্সামের সময় আর কি আপনি যেটা বলবেন ওই অনুযায়ী করে সাবমিট করতে হবে নাকি আগেও এটা অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট হিসেবে সাবমিট করতে হবে?
Your task, next day task is, you need to finish all the input. Then you will save it. Suppose all the input, you finished it, save it. Okay, finished. Then exam day, you will open it. I will also open my file. I will do some extra thing here. You will do it. Then you need to send it to these things. That is your task.
তার মানে স্যার এইটাই স্যার আমরা বের করব, আপনি এক্সামে দিন বলবেন এর সঙ্গে কিছু বাড়তি অংশ আপনি জুড়ে দেবেন, সেটা অ্যাড করে স্যার আমাদের সেন্ড করতে হবে।
Exactly. You are right.
স্যার
That is because of, if you follow my instruction, that is maybe your exam, maybe 15 minutes, not more than that. Okay, now I'm going to the attendance